Hi, I'm Dale from Chadwick, Carpentry and Construction. We're proud members of the Federation of Master Builders, and we're here today at Cladco to show you where their fibre cement backer board can be used throughout the project. Cladco's fibre cement backer board can be used internally and externally. It has an A1 fire rating, high load bearing properties. It's resistant to mould and moisture damage and has a thermal rating. You can also use the backer board on floors like this over a timber substrate. So here we have a cement board laid over our timber sub base. It's important when using on the floor to use the adhesive and fixings. This type of board is commonly used with the build-up of most underfloor heating systems. Cladco's backer board comes in two sizes, 2.4 and 1.2 metre lengths. Depending on your application of the board will depend on the size that you need. When using the board in a flooring application, it's important to fix the board at 200mm centres in each direction. Cladco's construction board is independently tested to achieve a 60-minute fire rating for internal wall applications. Before you tile or render, you'll want to prime the surface. This is to help everything bond properly and it gives you a better long-term finish. So there's a practical look on how backer boards are used on both walls and floor applications. It's all about creating a surface that's stable, moisture resistant and ready for whatever finish is going on top. If you get this stage correct, everything that follows is easy and it performs long term. For more information or to view our full range of products, you can visit our website or you can call us on 01837 659 901.